You think you deserve this spot, right? But remember the night before the wild card, I messaged you saying, I think it's you who's going in, so congratulations, love. What did you reply to me? You said, thanks, ate, but I feel like you deserve it more. Do you really mean that?
Ate,
do you mean that?
I
Were
did
you
mean
true?
it. Kasi alam ko, mas marami kang mapapakita kasi kulang yung time mo nung first weeks. I know that you're my ate. And you really deserve that spot because I saw that you also really wanted it. It's just so happened to be na ako yung napili ng taong bayan.
You say mature ka for your age, pero ginagamit mo yung bunso card. So ano ba talaga?
Kung ginagamit ko yung bunso ko.
Ikaw nagsabi nun.
Yeah, coming from your mouth.
From the past, girl.
Kahit kaduho mo.
Kailan ba? Ano bang date dyan na sinabi ko yan?
Ba, ikaw nagsabi sa kanya.
From the past?
Charlie ka namin kausap is near si Charlie kausap.
Go.
I came in this house not expecting na ako yung magiging bunso. I was put in this house not because of my age, but because of who I am. I came into this house at alam ko sa sarili ko na hindi ako naging pabigat in any way. I didn't ask you guys to baby me or anything. As I said, I was proud to call each and every one of you guys my kuyas and ates. And if you think that I'm using the bunso card just like that, then you guys have got it wrong.
Okay, Charlie, do you feel like you have grown in this house nung nag-mature ka?
Yes, I have. I really do.
Okay, yung pagbalik mo dito sa bahay nung nag-wildcard ka, sumasagot ka pa rin kay Kuya. Sinabihan mo siya na naiinis ka sa kanya. Where's the growth?
Is that
Bumalik ka
maturity?
na.
Yes, that
Parang immaturity yun eh.
You're good at explaining. You're good with words. Pero sometimes di ka aware. Yeah.
Yan ang all talk.
Walang galaw.
Yes.
Anything that is said inside the confession room is not supposed to go out. You already disrespected Kuya's rules, sumagot ka pa. Was that right?
Was Brent enough reason para sumagot ka kay Kuya?
Alam ko talaga mali ko nun. Nung sinabi ko talaga yung words na yun na that was supposed to not come out of the
So where's the growth?
Yeah, where's the
That's so
growth?
We
recent.
go back to that.
Yeah.
Feeling ko mas deserving ang chokla.
Kasi
nag-improve nung pinarasahan si Shuvi, di ba?
Kesa sa amin, no ah.
Go Asir.
Okay.
I think growth naman, guys, hindi naman agad-agad yan eh. Hindi mo naman yan masasabi na you're a changed person sa isang tulog lang, sa dalawang tulog lang, sa tatlo. Kayo.
Nakalabas siya.
Ay, nagtulog din sa kanya.
Teka, how long have you guys been in here for? Charlie, nakalabas ka pa. You
That's
got-
more than overnight.
What you have a privilege more than what they have.
You were in the outside world.
I understand that I had a privilege inside 1 month, outside a month, and inside again for a month. But it's hard to adjust, and everyone knows that. Coming in, you have to adjust. Coming out, I had to adjust.
Why so? Because when you're wild card, you could disrespect Kuya?
Coming in, I had to adjust again. I know it was my fault, and even now, I'm still improving. If you ask the other housemates now, you can see how I've improved, and I've really tried to shut everything inside of me. I've been trying to shut it off to fully function inside this house. So that's where I say I have improved.
Specific kay Esner. Esner, ba't ka nag-aalala sa mga tingin sa'yo ng tao sa labas? Paulit-ulit ka sa digital footprint, DF ko. Ba't ka nag-aalala? Pumasok ka dito sa isang reality show and you're so concerned about how people look at you. Bakit, Esner? Why are you playing safe and why are you acting?
Siyempre, mag-aalala ka talaga kasi pangarap mo yung pinapangalagaan mo dito. Pangarap mo yung nilalaban mo dito. Siyempre...
So hindi ka sure sa sarili mo?
I'm sure sa sarili ko, pero I'm not sure nga sa mga sinasabi ng tao. And recently, wala na akong pake. Kasi nung pumasok si Ate Marie, sabi niya, bakit ko iisipin yung labas na I can focus on the now? Go.
So you were saying play safe ka the whole time up to that day?
Girl, feeling niyo playing safe ako. Never nga ako
I feel like
na-nominate.
you're just more conscious on how you behave.
Guys, ito kasi, ito si Esner, joker naman kasi talaga siya.
Yung mga patawa-tawa ko, kayo na nga mismo nagsabi na nagbe-bring ako ng light sa house. What more kung walang nagbe-bring ng lightness dito sa house?
Yes, exactly.
Yes.
You're bringing light to all the housemates, pero sa dulo, ano nangyari? Walang pumili sa'yo maging kadugo.
Okay lang na hindi mapili. Kasi at the end of the day, wala naman yan sa kaduo mo. Nasa sarili mo naman yan eh. Yes, malaking part si Charlie, malaking part yung kaduo mo, pero yung nilalaban mo rin dito, yung pangarap mo, wala akong pakialam kung pipiliin ba ako o hindi. Yes, nasaktan talaga ako, pero that doesn't define me as a person. That doesn't define me na kung walang pipili sa akin, patawan lang ako dito. Hello, hindi.
Matapos ng mainit na diskusyon, nagbigay ng huling mensahe ang Chares para sa Duo Challengers.
Last message ko sa inyong lahat, I understand you. Thank you. Thank you for letting us know. Thank you for these questions kasi somehow nabigyan kami ng pagkakataon na i-clarify sa inyo at makapag-reflect also at makapagbigay sa inyo ng totoong opinion or totoong thoughts about this. Andito ako kasi may nilalaban ako at andito ako para sa pamilya ko. Alam niyo na yan.
Ako siguro yung last message ko na lang is para sa inyo. So, I'm really thankful talaga that I got to be a part of this with you guys. And maraming salamat na naging sandalan ko din kayo paglabas. Kaya, kung masasabi yung bunso card, maraming salamat sa pagiging ate at kuya sa akin. And I'm thankful I found a family here in Manila. And kahit ano man maging result nito, maraming salamat and I love you guys. Love you guys. Bye-bye.
Love ya!